Harvey, what are you seeing in the industry which is causing you to say, hey, we should present ourselves as people who can help people to implement this brand awareness, and how is it that you said, an NFT is a way to do that?
Yeah, I mean, I think you see it from another perspective to start with, where a lot of brands have gone into NFTs themselves, or they've gone into crypto, and really what they've done is they went, oh, I want to launch an NFT, and then they don't even know the first thing about actually making the roadmap and actually believing in the community around that. So there's a lot of things which Etihad have actually made it really good for us to do, is actually to develop a roadmap that's really quite good and is quite strong in terms of not just ditching the community after we just mint the NFTs. So there's a really long-term roadmap that we're trying to establish, and I think that brands can actually learn from it so that they can do things to do with Web3 in a long-term plan, and so that they don't just go into the Web3 and then just dive straight back out again, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. So good. So there are challenges, and you guys decided that you would help them to be able to overcome those and to be the company that they could come to be able to help people to be successful. That's really good.